The waiting is over and the work on the remaining 20 acres has begun. The Caterpillar D6R is warmed up. The tracks are set and the boundary line between our managed farm and the wild bush is about to disappear. For the first few minutes, it's about positioning. The operator maneuvers the machine into the thickest part of the bush, setting the blade low to the earth. This is day one of a massive transformation, and every meter the machine moves forward is land reclaimed for our upcoming vegetable production. This is where raw mechanical power meets nature. For 2 solid days, the D6R works without a break, tearing through dense vegetation, wild thickets, and deep-rooted stumps. The operator uses the weight of the machine to shatter trunks and roll them out of the way, creating a clear path through what used to be impassable jungle. Watch how the blade cuts into the soil, lifting roots out of their beds. Clearing land for vegetable requires a thorough approach. We cannot afford to leave aged stumps that will destroy our farming equipment later. The 3 rear rippers are keeping the machine anchored, giving it the traction needed to push through the heaviest obstacles on the field. By day 2, the progress is staggering. What was once a wall of wild green is now an expansive open canvas of dark earth. The operator works systematically, moving back and forth in straight lines, flattening the high spots and preparing the ground for the leveling phase that will combine this section with our existing 15 acres. "48 hours of non-stop clearing have completely rewritten the layout of this farm. The D6R has proven exactly why we brought it here from Sunyani. The trees are down, the roots are out, and the horizon is opening up. We are carving out our future, one push at a time." "2 days down, and the land is ours.